Hi guys, welcome again to Beauty from Braids, where we create your perfect image and where beauty meets fashion. So guys, today it's day 2 of our week series, 7-day week series. Let me show you where we stopped yesterday. Yesterday we stopped at the back part, so today we're gonna do this part here. So today we begin. The mapping is done, the vision is mapped out. I always start from the nape. It's the base, it's the foundation. Let me see if you can see where. Let me adjust this. This girl is taller than me, guys. So yesterday we started with this back part, this one. This is what we started with yesterday. So guys, if the back feels heavy, the whole wig will feel uncomfortable, you know. So that's why I space the braids just right. You know? Oh God. Oh God. So guys, this is why I space the back like this, so that it can feel natural. If the wig is heavy, guys, no one can wear it. You can feel uncomfortable. Now it's time to bring it to life, braid by braid. So as I told you yesterday, on the first episode of our series, we pre-traced these braids I'm using. So now I just crocheted them on the wig cap. If you didn't see the part where I started everything from, I think you can go back to yesterday's video. That's when you will understand everything. Let me show you these pre-twisted braids we use here. So guys, these are the pre-twisted braids we have. We twist them before we crochet them on the nape, because I saw this method is easier than the other methods I've been using, guys. So let's go. This method doesn't waste time, guys. It's super easy and faster. Tight enough for fullness and loose enough for braid, you know. If the wig is so tight, oh my God, and also feel uncomfortable. If the braids are loose, oh my God. My crochet hook is ready. I slide it under the cape. Let me show you how I slide my crochet hook under the cape. So yesterday we done with this first, so today I'm gonna start here. So let me use these pre-twisted braids I used. I twisted. Let's do like this. Guys, this isn't about rushing. It's about building something I would be proud of. I would be proud to wear and proud to sell, you know. Some people think the back of the wig doesn't matter. It matters. This back matters, but no, but to me it doesn't. It does matter a lot, because it's still the part of the whole wig. So today I'm filling the lower rows, creating shape, laying the weight. It belongs where it belongs. Tomorrow I will move to the sides. I will move this side, but for now this is the foundation. Braid by braid I build. You getting me, guys? So if you haven't subscribed guys, so that you can see more of my videos, and click that notification bell so that it can notify you whenever I post a new video, and kindly give me those thumbs up so that this video can be pushed to many of the people who need to see what I do, because these are the series I do, guys. I do series. My battery is breaking down. Is it 2 or 12? Guys, see you. So guys, let me zoom in so that you can see well what I mean. This is my pre-twisted braid. This is my crochet needle. Let's slide it in. You do like this. You pass it through the braid. You close the loop, and then you come, pass it here, then you close. Then you close the latch. Let's do it again. Do like this. Put in a hook. Then close the latch like this. Then come here, close the latch, pull. Another, then another. You getting me, guys? Let's do it. You can do it, guys. This rhythm is everything. It teaches me patience. If you have no patience, you can't be a wig maker. Wig making needs patience. Let's do it, guys. And this reminds me that every small result is built. This reminds me every great result is built from small, quiet steps. You know? So let's do this wig step by step. We're gonna make many of them cause I want to target December. So I'm starting now. I want to be with a big stock before we approach December. The pre-twisted braids guiding easily, soft and flexible, no pulling. I take breaks one step, I check the line, you know. So guys, so we're gonna put here this. Right. This one has refused to enter. Like this. Boom. Crochet. So guys, I'm on the break. I'm having some strawberry, blackcurrant juice, and some biscuits. So let's enjoy. Guys, let me show you where I have reached. This is where I've reached. The spacing is clear and clean. So we're gonna finish it, and then we start this part here. You know, guys, as you know that these braided wigs take a lot of time, so I've just started now. I want to make many of them before December, because in December I got lots of orders. But now I'm working alone because I work with my nieces, but my nieces are at school, so I work alone. So I have to pick the time so that when December reaches, I will be with many wigs. Yeah. So I've started with these small trace braids. Yeah, I want to make like, I don't know if I will catch up, but I want to make like 5 of black, 5 of coffee brown, 5 of maroon, 5 of each color. I want 5. And the design, I will see what I will do. So guys, I'm done having something in my stomach. So let's go back to business. Let's go. This one has refused to pass through. Alright guys, we shall start from here tomorrow. You want to see what we have done for today? So let me show you. So guys, the lighting is lighting me. So this is where we've stopped today. So I'm gonna trim this tonight. Then tomorrow we shall start this part here. You getting me, guys? So guys, see you in the next video tomorrow. Love you. That will be day 3 of making this wig. Love you. Kindly subscribe, click on the notification bell so that it can notify you whenever I post a new video, and give me those thumbs up so that my videos can be pushed to those people who need it most. Love you. Take care. Don't forget to tell me what you think about this week. Love you. Bye bye.